camera that won't break the bank? Stay tuned as we dive into the features and performance of the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 16MP digital camera. Hey there, welcome to our review of the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 digital camera. With its 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, 5x optical zoom, and full HD video capabilities, this camera promises to be a great companion for both beginners and seasoned vloggers alike. Let's take a closer look. Design and build quality. The Pixpro FZ55 boasts a sleek and compact design that feels solid in the hand. The matte finish gives it a professional look, while the ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable shooting experience, even during extended use. The 2.7-inch LCD screen on the back provides a clear and vibrant display for framing your shots. Zoom and lens. One standout feature of this camera is its 5. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming in on distant objects, the 28mm wide-angle lens ensures that you can fit more into the frame. This makes it perfect for vlogging on the go. Video quality. When it comes to video recording, the Pixpro FZ55 delivers stunning full HD footage at 1080p resolution. Whether you're shooting vlogs, tutorials, or travel videos, the camera captures every detail with crisp clarity. The autofocus feature ensures that your subjects stay sharp, while the built-in microphone captures clear audio without any distortion. SD card compatibility. Another convenient feature of this camera is its compatibility with SD cards. It supports SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards up to 512 gigabytes, ensuring that you have plenty of storage space for all your photos and videos. Just pop in a Class 10 SD card, and you're good to go. Battery life. The Pixpro FZ55. Whether you're out and about or filming at home, you can count on this camera to keep up with your creative endeavors. Plus, the battery is easily rechargeable via the included USB cable, so you can quickly get back to shooting. In conclusion, the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 16MP digital camera is a versatile and reliable option for anyone in need of a budget-friendly vlogging camera. With its impressive features, including a 16-megapixel sensor, 5x optical zoom, and full HD video recording, it's sure to elevate your content creation game. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned